Hello, YouTube. Hey guys, it's Eric. Today is Monday, November 26th, 2018, and I am here with your AOTD. When I talked about doing this yesterday, I didn't realize it would be so difficult to come up with a new AOTD every day. This is only day 2, and I seriously struggled. It was really difficult coming up with something genuine, different, neat, and something that would really give you some value today. So I apologize that this is late. I know it's already almost 10 o'clock and I'm just getting to this now. I really thought all day okay, so maybe I'll do some awesome inspirational quote because it's day 2. I thought about doing something funny because it's day 2, but I wanted to keep it along the lines of something motivational for at least the first week, to kind of give some groundwork, something for you guys to sink your teeth into. So here goes with today's AOTD. You ready? Today's AOTD is this: don't let yourself go. I don't know why for some reason today, maybe it's because I was clothes shopping, but I started thinking about letting yourself go. I know people always say, oh, I've let myself go. I'm out of shape and I've gained some weight. And while this may be true for me as well, the meaning of this AOT goes a little bit deeper than that. I want you guys to stay encouraged more than anything with the use of this daily vlog. So anytime I put out an AOTD, I want it to be something of, like I said, of value, something beneficial to you guys. And from today's, I want you to get the message of not giving up hope. I really want you to believe in yourself, believe in what you can accomplish, and really go out and get what you're after. And I'm not trying to get all Wilson Phillips on you, hold on to one more day. But I do really think of this as an important message, and often it's too easy to let go of yourself and forget where you're going and what you're headed for. So my advice today is to don't lose yourself. Don't let go of yourself. Hold on to what you believe is true about you and where you're going. I can be the first to admit that it's not always easy to see a goal all the way through. I have lots of ideas and I have lots of great things that I know that I could work on, and I know that I also get very easily discouraged. This is one thing that I'm doing that is helping to give me focus and direction, and so I'm going to stick with it. So I thought it was kind of very important to make that the AOTD today of not giving up. Don't lose yourself. Don't let yourself go, because holding on to what you believe is true is going to take you where you want to go, and it's really going to help you succeed at whatever it is that you're working on. So one more time for the people in the back: don't lose yourself. Don't let yourself go. Hold on to what you've got. You're going to make it. You're going to get where you go. I'd love to hear about what kind of goals you have. Be sure to comment below what you're working on, where you're going with things. Let's all get there together. Let's support one another. What do you need to do before tomorrow that you can get done today? Yes, that was totally a hashtag plug. But seriously, comment below. Let's get this conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and tap that bell so you get notifications, because you want a new AOTD every day. I know that you do. Everybody does. Everybody loves advice. All right, guys, I'm going to go get this edited so I can get it posted, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.